Hello everyone, this is Daniel Santiago from Cisco CUBE multi-service team. Welcome to this video tutorial on configuring a translation rule to add the +1 prefix for outgoing calls. Why add +1? The +1 is the country code for North America. However, many users dial local or long-distance numbers without the country code. This creates a challenge because service providers and gateways require numbers in the E164 international format, which include the country code. The benefit of adding +1 normalize the dialed number, preventing call failure or misrouting. Step 1. We need to define the translation rule. Enter to the global configuration mode. Now create a translation rule with a unique number, for example, voice translation rule 1. Now we need to define a rule that matches the dialed number and adds the +1 prefix. For example, to add +1 before any digit number, use a rule like rule 1 slash slash space slash +1 slash. This rule match any digit number and prefix it with +1. Step 2. Create a translation profile. We need to define a voice translation profile. For example, with the voice translation profile command, we need to add a name, in this case, add prefix. Then we need to associate the translation rule with the profile for call numbers. Step 3. Apply the translation profile to the dial peer. We need to enter to the dial peer configuration mode for the outgoing calls. On this example, we will use the dial peer voice 100 VoIP, and then we will apply the translation profile created to outgoing call numbers. Step 4. Verify the configuration. Use the command show voice translation rule 1 to verify the translation rule. The match pattern is empty because the translation rule is configured to match any digit sequence. Now let's test the translation rule with the command test voice translation rule 1. Then we need to add any 10 digits number to see the original and translated number. By configuring this translation rule and applying it to the outgoing dial peer, all outgoing calls have the +1 prefix automatically added. This ensures compliance with international dialing standards and improves call routing success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on configuring translation rules to add +1 for outgoing calls.